Heyo, we are jumping straight into episode 2. Oh, aren't they already eating dinner together? Will you make and eat dinner with me? I thought you were going to be the cook.
なんでですか？
I mean, honestly, it's like you're her teacher or assistant teacher.
知らずの親子と食事なんてうちの
Yeah,
ご両親も困る
but
だ
I
ろう
guess they
し、
might
第一勝手にお
trust
店を
you.
使うなんて。
I wonder where her dad is.
食べましょうっていうお誘いです。
Oh, she just wants to understand.
麦、待ちなさい。
Oh. And there we go.
でもダメです。
Pork soup and restaurant lights. Oh, what's the backboard right there? We don't have that in the US. It's usually like just regular tile and stuff. Oh, he's doing his best. No more instant meals. Is that bologna? Oh, he's burning something. Okay, so you know it's getting there. Is that egg? A little greenery? Yeah, I know.
くじけずに買ってくればよかった。
She's so cute. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that during this series, but oh, she reminds me of Ponyo eating bologna.
おいしい。
Instead of what, the preservatives or something from the instant meals? Oh my goodness. A baby from my own heart. Eating like a gremlin. She reminds me of my... She reminds me of my son a lot. Because he'll just, like, eat all sorts of things. Even though he's only 9 months. Going on 10 months soon. My daughter's a bit more picky. That's why I didn't say her. She doesn't like to eat much. Daddy cooked me wieners. Oh, he's even got the instant. Okay, wait, you didn't even have to make it like the girl did. So I'm trying to understand why you didn't just do that for her before. That's her name, Katori Ida. Guys, I need a new chair. I'm sitting in a wooden chair. It's falling apart. I've had it for like 5 years. Oh. Do you even have customers a lot? Oh. She really just wants someone there with her. Well, she knows what she wants. How can you say no to her? Oh, she'd have me wrapped around her finger, and she already does. There she is. Oh, she's shy. Oh, so her dad is still alive. Oh, a cooking expert on TV. Is that what his daughter was watching? But it's not because it's bad. Oh, really? That's really good encouragement. As long as you don't have ill intentions or super weird intentions, then I say it's okay. If you're trying to be a mentor to your students outside of school, I think that's really cool.
やりたいって気持ちがどこかにあるんじゃないの？飯田さんのためか。
I actually invited a few teachers and even one of my principals to my son's to my son's baby shower last year. And my own principal actually came. I was very, very happy. My teachers, they had some other things to do. So I don't feel like it's weird. I think it's really cool if your students or former students think, you know, you're cool enough to hang out with. Like you left that much of an impact on them. Also, teachers really love me, so I don't know. Like, maybe it's different for me.
お父さんもいい感じでしたしね。
いい感じでしたか。
And I don't know why I need to specify, but my principal was a woman, so if that matters.
ちゃんと名前書いておこうか。
And she also built a school with her husband just down the street. Like, she's so cool. I don't know. Like, literally, it just opened up for this school year. They worked on it all summer, and that's just honestly so cool. She was my grade school, like, my grade school teacher. So elementary. My grade school principal. Sorry. Sorry, I'm also trying to, like, have my thoughts go ahead and be in this show.
ああ、いや、構いませんよ。
That is huge, by the way. I don't know, maybe your daughter was right.
話したいのですが。
There you go. W teacher, yeah.
私はお話を。
つむぎちゃんと一緒にぜひ。
Hamburg steak. Do they never call it hamburger over there? Because, like, with the anime we were watching... You know what? I filmed these on, you know, different days than you see them, of course. So I almost said something. I almost said something about an episode from the anime that you all would have seen yesterday. That you actually haven't seen. If that makes sense. I'm talking about for restaurant to another world. Is she saying sorry? Yeah, her mom's not there.
お母さんは。
それが急な仕事で。え？本当です。
I'm very... No! Okay, wait. Dear Inuzuka... Sorry, my camera. Dear Inuzuka-sensei, this is Kotori's mother. I'm very grateful that you'll be looking after my daughter. Please use the kitchen however you like. I'm sorry, but I had to leave suddenly for work. Thank you very much. Iida Megumi. Megumi? You are my special... I even had her put her thumb on it. Oh! Nope, 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 nope. Look at the shirt she has on. She has the little piggy shirt on. Oh, she has an apron back there. I saw. Yep, you've got her. She saw the apron. How? Oh, it's just gonna drag. Wait, what? Oh, you brought a tiny one for her. Oh, hamburger, hamburger. Wrapped around my finger. Yay. Oh, look at how wide her. What was that concoction? Thank goodness. Fry the chopped onions in olive oil. She drew pictures. You know what? I'm a very visual learner, so that would be very helpful for me. Hamburg steak salad? Yes. I think that's more than enough for her tiny belly. Oh, you had it prepped. Oh. Oh, she wants to eat veggies. Okay. Oh my gosh, what is that behemoth? This... Can you even see? Ah, I don't have my mouse cursor on. That huge white one. Is that a radish? Fingers in. Mm-hmm. No, Sumuki duck. Oh. Oh. You're gonna hear me say she's so adorable so many times in so many ways. She deserves everything good in life. And yet she's already been dealt an unfair hand. Oh, that was close to your fingers. He needs help with everything. How do they look? Ooh. Oh, that's not how you... What are you doing? Why are you holding it like that? Oh, do you not mess with knives? Is your dad a serial killer? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hmm. Oh. Wait, okay, I'm sorry, what? I'm trying to figure out what happened to make you scared of the knives. The way he was holding it scared me. I don't know the proper way. I don't know. I feel like he should have just put it down on the table and then had her pick it up. But he was just holding it by the blade, like just directed straight towards him. Well, I guess you hold scissors, like... No, I don't know. It just felt icky to me the way he was holding it. I guess, I don't know. I've personally never tried to hand a knife to someone unless it had the sheath on it. You know? Sticky, 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 sticky bubble gum. Sorry. That's okay, you'll learn. Are those different sakes up there?
つけた時とても安心したんです。だからある程度利害の
I don't think I've had sake since my wedding anniversary. That happened right after my daughter's birth. I really like sake though. I had this pink one. It was really good. Because there's like a Japanese mall, like 45 minutes to an hour away from where I live, so those are so cute.
水から煮るんですね。
No! You got this, Samugi. Don't fall off. Oh, when she was little, she must have drawn down there. What is she saying? I wonder what she looked up at. Daddy cuts? Oh. They're so cute. She's just trying to liven up the place. That's a big piece of tape for just that corner. He's definitely gonna forget.
材料を切ってメニューも
Oh, she's putting up a few menus.
下手なんです。お願いしますね。
Mm. What is that? Okay. And you mix it and you flavor it little by little like this. Okay. That must take forever, doesn't it?
ちゃんとお母さんの味を覚えてるんですね。
Sumugi is very much ready. I hope I'm remembering her name correctly. Thoughts? Ah. Oh. Her tiny tummy can't take it. Well. There we go, the rice is there. And we got the soup. I made my daughter some soup today. She loves eating soup and just all kinds of pasta. Oh, isn't it hot? Oh.
嬉しいですね。
美味しいだよ。
うん。紬の。
That's so cute. They're gonna have the best father-daughter relationship always. I can just see it. I think I heard that when like you like slurp soup and such, then that means that it's really good. Like the louder you slurp, the better it is. I think for like Japanese culture. I'm not sure. Sumugi. Oh. Mm. Oh, why is she so like depressed over there? Is she okay? I know she wants them to come back, but oh my goodness.
私は
そうだ。
Ah, she's got him.
いろいろと決まり事を決めたいですけど、
Okay,
それ
okay.
は次回で。
I'm sure he has like
よろしくお願いします。
papers to grade and such, so.
紬が喜びます。
Mm. I wonder what this says. Yay! Here we are at the end of episode 2. And there's even less to say for this episode. I think I'm just really riding the wave on this anime. But I do want to hear all of your thoughts in the comments, of course. My few things to note is that it does seem like Kohei is genuinely just a very respectful and caring father and teacher overall. He asks for guidance when needed, like when he was talking to the other teacher in the lounge about like, hey, do you think it's okay to hang out with students outside of the classroom? Like, is that a wise thing to do? And also, I just feel like he was very responsible in saying, hey, I need to talk to your mother, Iida's mother, before agreeing to anything. Because I feel like, especially with this beautiful little baby right there, that it would be easy to just get wrapped up in that moment and be like, all right, yeah, we can do that. He was like, hey, this need to be discussed with your caregiver, your guardian, your whoever, before I start doing this, since I am going to be, hanging out with you after school out of these hours. And he did say at the end, like, hey, I'm going to have some rules, some times, it's not going to be all willy-nilly. And still, even with the letter from her mom, he's like, he was questioning, like, I don't know, because he really wants to talk to her in person and get that approval. So I thought that was cool. And I just wonder what happened to create such a fear of knives for Aida, especially since it's such an integral part of, preparing food, and this is her family's restaurant. So I don't know. Maybe there's an accident where she accidentally, like, I don't know, not chopped off one of her fingers or limbs or anything. It seems like she has everything, but I don't know. Something must have happened. So yeah, those are the only thoughts I really had. Oh, and I did forget to mention on episode 1 that I love the music. All of the music, the soundtrack, and all of that. It sounds very warm. Like music gives you certain feelings and all of that. Like it just gives me a very warm, welcoming, homey feeling, if you get that. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And I'm going to be rating this episode of Sweetness and Lightning a 10 out of 10 hand-drawn squids. I think Samuki would like that very much. So feel free to let me know your thoughts and what theories you have about what made Ida scared of knives in the comments. And feel free to subscribe because I'm happy to be sharing this anime experience with you. I will see you all in the next video you decide to watch for me. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.